In this video, we are unboxing and replacing the front brake disc kit for the Dodge Ram 1500. The front brake pads, the brake pad retaining clips, the gloves, the front brake disc, vented and cross-drilled type. The following are the tools used for replacing the front brake disc kit. Large electric impact wrench, large 23mm short socket, medium 13mm long socket, large 13mm long socket, large 21mm long socket, large short extension bar, needle nose pliers, large flathead screwdriver, brake caliper hanger hook, medium torque wrench, large extendable ratcheting wrench, large torque wrench, towel. Now let's begin the front brake disc kit replacement process. Using the large 23mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large extendable ratcheting wrench, loose the front wheel lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Using the large 23mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large electric impact wrench, remove the front wheel lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Remove the harness clip from the brake hose. Open the hood. Open the brake fluid reservoir cap. Use a towel underneath to catch any brake fluid. That may overflow when compressing the caliper piston, preventing corrosion of other components. Using a large flathead screwdriver, compress the brake caliper piston. Insert the flathead screwdriver through the caliper gap. Pry against the brake disc and push outward to retract the caliper piston. Using the large 13mm long socket with the large electric impact wrench, remove the brake caliper retaining bolts. Use a caliper hanger hook to support the brake caliper. We can see the piston is now retracted. Remove the front brake pads. Using the large 21mm long socket with the large electric impact wrench, remove the caliper bracket retaining bolts. Remove the bracket. Using the needle nose pliers, pry open the brake disc retaining clip lock tabs. Rotate the retaining clips outward to remove them. Remove the other retaining clip the same way. Remove the brake disc. Here is the comparison of the old versus new front brake discs and brake pads. Install the new brake disc. When installing the brake disc, make sure to distinguish left from right. There is a stamp on the disc. One side is marked with an L for left. Using the needle nose pliers, bend the retaining clip lock tabs back. Install the retaining clip. Install the other retaining clip the same way. Install the bracket. Install the retaining bolts. Using the large 21mm long socket with the large electric impact wrench, snug the bracket bolt. Using the large 21mm long socket with the large torque wrench, torque the caliper bracket retaining bolts. Torque specific 176 Newton meters, 130 foot-pounds. Before installing the new brake pads, install the retaining clips onto the 2 locating tabs on each pad. Install the brake pads. Install the other pad the same way. Remove the caliper hanger hook. Install the caliper. Align the holes and install the caliper retaining bolts. Using the large 13mm long socket with the large electric impact wrench, tighten the caliper retaining bolts. Using the medium 13mm long socket with the medium torque wrench, torque the caliper retaining bolts. Torque specific 42 Newton meters, 31 foot-pounds. Reinstall the harness clip. After installation is complete, remove the towel. Reinstall the brake fluid reservoir cap. Close the hood. Install the front wheel. Install the lug nuts. Using the large 23mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large electric impact wrench, snug the front wheel lug nuts. Lower the vehicle. Using the large 23mm short socket, large short extension bar, and large torque wrench, torque the front wheel lug nuts. Torque specific 150 Newton meters, 111 foot-pounds. After installation is complete, pump the brake pedal repeatedly to return the caliper pistons to their operating position. Replace the front brake disc and pads on the opposite side. Using the same procedure,